So we are finally here in Singapore, mga Jai.
Singapore, my first time here actually.
First time ni Franco, ako pabalik-balik na ako dito. So magstay muna kami dito ng few nights before our flight to Pilipinas.
Yes.
Sobrang pagod ko, Jai. Our flight from Heathrow to Singapore is 13 hours dire-diretso.
Yeah, and actually we was in such a rush before leaving. And,
Tapos si Ella, she's crying kasi hindi kami nakapag-vlog kasi umiiyak si Ella Bell. Gusto niya matulog, pero hindi siya nakakatulog kasi ayaw niya kasi nang maingay pag natutulog siya, Jai. So anyway, we're here. Tapos i-pick up lang namin yung aming mga bagahe and then check-in sa hotel. So samahan niyo muna kami dito sa Singapore for a few days at maggala-gala, Jai. Magjalan-jalan.
Now we just have to find the way out.
No. We need to collect our
Oh yeah.
luggage.
I'm too excited. I'm
Saan naman ka doon, eh?